Welcome to my channel.
When we inhale, the contractions of the diaphragm and the intercostal muscles increase the volume of the chest cavity, which is passively followed by the expansion of the lungs, and air thus flows into them. When we exhale, the air flows out of the lungs due to a decrease in the volume of the chest cavity. The air inhaled flows into the main bronchi through the nasal cavity, the mouth cavity, the pharyngeal cavity, and the trachea. The main bronchi convey air into the lungs, where they branch into bronchi and on to bronchioles. These Y-shaped branches, including the main bronchi, form 20 to 23 generations. The respiratory zone starts at the 17th division. That is, gas exchange also takes place through the walls of the bronchioles. The terminal branches end in alveolar sacs. The walls of these consist of simple squamous epithelium, through which gas exchange takes place. Oxygen is absorbed into the blood, and carbon dioxide is released into the sacs. That is, blood in the pulmonary circuit becomes oxygenated. Oxygen is used by the cells of our bodies in their metabolic processes, which produce carbon dioxide as a byproduct.